think Taonga Pūoro to me are instruments of communication. We communicate to each other, we communicate online. Our Taonga Pūoro give us the ability to communicate with our environment and to communicate with the intricate parts of our tinana. I use Taonga Pūoro to talk to our babies, to talk to that fat ankle that you've just sprained, yeah, to talk to the toto, to talk to the fluid in your body, to say, hey, you know, let's redirect and let's mend our bones. And I talk to that headache that you have, that migraine, and I say, hey, let's just move on. Instruments of communication that we know in our narratives, that we have, for example, Hene Moa and Tutanekai. Tutanekai, this version, plays the kōauau. Hene Moa hears that, swims to it, yeah? He's looking for his significant other, and she hears the call. Instruments of communication. And I use this instrument often when I'm at, because you never know when you're at a hui and someone says, hey, you come and stand. So I bring it out and I play it. And the practicalities of wearing your kōauau, this long one on this other ear, was because it's too long for a pocket. And it was to help me learn to play the instrument. So I chucked it on my ear. You see Horo, he puts them in his ears, but as a means to continue practicing, but also to normalize or to create the kōrero. Yeah, what's that in your ear? Yeah, like, oh wow, let me tell you. Yeah, so it was a majority of the time was practicality, but I te mutunga iho, it was to generate conversation, to normalise Taonga Pūoro in our everyday mahi.